So, 30 minutes has passed. Actually, more than 30 minutes na. So, papasingawin na natin. Papatayin natin itong kalan. Then, we're gonna release the pressure. So, pag na-release na natin pressure, mawawala yung sound. Then, we can make hangon na the pork. Yun o. Kikita mo talaga yung pork nag-jiggle siya. Kasi malambot na malambot. Iwasan lang natin madurog yung skin because the skin is a very important part. Alam mo naman, yun ang favorite part ko. Every time na pumapapak or kumakain ng bagnet. Nakasalang na yung pork sa may air fryer. You know, I cannot show you because it's dark. Piprituin natin siya dito for 10 minutes only. Kasi ito lang yung first fry niya. Ito first frying is done. First fry pa lang yan. Malutong na siya. Pero mas lulutong pa yan the moment na second fry natin. Anyhow, yung second frying, yun talaga magiging sobrang lalambot yung skin ng ating bagnet.